I got this balloon set from Party Woo from the company to check out, and I realized I don't have a pump. So I had a pump, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna have to blow these up by hand, by mouth, I don't know. It comes with everything that you're gonna need to put a little set of balloons together in an arch. If you have an air pump, that's good. This is a straw that it comes with to deflate them. So you can use them over, which is nice. This is the string to put on the balloons. So this has everything that you're going to need in it. They're glue dots. I'm going to have to go through and check this out. I am planning on making a balloon arch with these because I have some double-sided tape that I'm going to use. These are themed for Valentine's Day, so they have pink designs and they're Mylar. I'm going to go through and blow these up. I'll tell you how long it took to blow them up. To blow these up, if you have to use your mouth. They sent a little paper straw to deflate them, but I'm going to use a plastic straw for this, and that way it's not going to stick to my mouth. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but there's a little plastic, like there's a clear plastic thing here. You have to get the straw under this clear plastic thing, and then you can just insert this directly into the balloon. I would put it in there and then pull it out a little bit to give you a little air space, and then seal this up around, and then blow it in. And these two pieces of the balloon are going to be stuck together, so you're going to have to blow really hard to separate them. But once you do that, it's pretty easy. It's taking me about a minute per balloon to do, so it's not going to take that long. I inflated all of the balloons, and it didn't take that long. These are holding the air very nicely. The valve on them keeps the air in. This is a Mylar balloon string, so you can do that if you want to do that. And they also have these little glue dots that you can peel one off. I was using these before to see how they worked. And then it has a cover sheet. You have to be careful with these because they will kind of stick to themselves. That's a glue dot. You can put that on the balloon and peel it off. And then you can stick this to the wall or to another balloon. So if you want to do that, you can. And these do come off if you peel them. They do come right off. So if you want to use the balloons again, you can just deflate them and use them again. You have 15 balloons to work with. It's a lot. I'm going to go make a balloon arch with these. I want to add that I'm going to use this Gluit double-sided tape to make this arch because it's really strong. It works like the command strip, so you can remove it. And I think that this is going to hold better than the glue dots that came with the balloons. So I'm going to be using this as I put this thing together.